Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Larry in Indianapolis, Indiana, the Stryker SR-955HP. Larry, it's ready to go for you, bud. You got on truckcbsales.com and ordered this radio with a tune alignment, and we did your radio up in the order in which it was received. A little note of that, anybody that orders anything, it's just like Bell's or Lester's or anybody else. Your radio will be tuned aligned or whatever custom mods that you wanted in the order in which it was received. Not ahead of anybody, not behind anybody, nothing, okay? Other shops, some of them are even a year and a half back on new builds and tunes, believe it or not. Very busy people. I try to stay no more than 2 weeks on new builds. If you just want a stock radio, just select stock and it'll go out that day. However, if you select tune alignment or anything else, then it goes in line with the rest of them. If you do order it stock, it will not work on 11 meters, of course. It will not have the power output that a modified radio will have. It may show the peak power, but your average bird watts will be very low. Okay, let's get back to it. Larry, here's your 955. RF power all the way up, 20 watts all the way up, 2 watts all the way down. So your average power swing, low 50 bird average, 100 watt slug in PEP, low 97 peak. Larry in Indianapolis, your radio's coming to you. Hope you enjoy it. Bump bump.